Next generation discovery and catalogs really take your data management, and data governance to the next level. It's one thing just to understand the baseline of your information and where it's coming from. Those things like lineage, provenance, how do you trust that information and trust it by understanding where it comes from, or even just what the context of that information is. But more importantly, you're starting to better recognize how data flows through processes, through decisions, through analytics, and oftentimes there's data coming out of those activities that you want to capture, and it's coming out of the algorithms and the analytic models that you're building. So really what these next generation tools for discovery, for profiling, and for overall cataloging and governance are allowing you to do is take into account the full context and life cycle of that information so that you can better apply it and apply that at scale. Machine learning within the next generation discovery and profiling and cataloging capabilities really offer a new dimension to the way that we manage and we govern our data. You can think about these capabilities as pre-trained data stewards that sit side by side with the rest of your data professionals and your data management teams. They broaden and extend your eyes and ears about that data, and they can also provide feedback to you about what's happening with the data, how people are using that information, is it providing value, or are there new instances and scenarios that data is starting to provide value, or maybe you're bumping up against regulations and compliance like privacy and security concerns. So what you're doing with machine learning is really having a robot that is your colleague, and you can communicate and collaborate and really extend the bench strength of your data management and governance activities. If there's one thing you should be taking away about the next generation of capabilities for discovery and cataloging is that it's really breaking down the silos between your data management function, your data governance function, and your analytic and data consumption function. You are now working in an environment that creates the same language about your data, and it's providing the same view of what that data is and how it's contributing to your business.